In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load a chart template on MetaTrader 5. If you're someone who frequently trades in the financial markets, you know how invaluable a tool MetaTrader 5 can be. It allows traders to perform technical analysis with accuracy and efficiency, offering an array of features and resources to enhance your trading experience. One particular feature that traders find exceptionally useful is the ability to use chart templates. Chart templates enable you to save time by storing your frequently used chart configurations and applying them quickly to new charts. In this guide, we'll walk you step by step through the process of loading these chart templates to ensure you can navigate this feature with ease. Firstly, you'll want to open up your MetaTrader 5 platform and head over to the chart you're working on. If you haven't already, create a chart that you'd like to apply your saved template to. This will be our starting point. Once you have your desired chart displayed, it's time to incorporate the template. Take your mouse and right-click directly on the open chart. This action will bring up a context menu with various options that relate to your chart settings and features. After right-clicking, you'll notice an option that says Templates. Move your cursor to highlight this option. The Templates function within MetaTrader 5 is specifically designed for managing visual configurations of your charts, making the process of switching between different setups as efficient as possible. Hovering over Templates will reveal another submenu popping out beside it. From the new options displayed, look for and click on Load Template. This particular option is what allows you to open a pre-saved configuration and immediately apply it to your current chart. When you select Load Template, a new window will appear showing you a list of existing templates that have been previously saved on your computer. If you haven't saved any templates before, this list might be empty, but typically users who utilize different chart settings will have a few templates already set up. Now, browsing through your saved templates, find the one you wish to use and click on it. This will highlight your selection. A simple click on the Open button located in the dialog box will confirm your choice. Instantly, your chart will update and reflect the configurations, styles, and settings stored within that particular template. This simple process allows you to efficiently apply the technical setups you prefer without the need for repetitive manual adjustments every time you open a new chart. It's a great way to streamline your workflow and focus on what you do best: trading. In just a few quick steps, you've now successfully loaded a chart template on MetaTrader 5, allowing you to trade more effectively with the tools and views customized for your trading strategy. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we encourage you to explore using templates to maximize your trading efficiency.